Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing the Tribit MaxSound Plus speaker. I bought this speaker 2 weeks ago and it sounds pretty well. There are few buttons provided on top of the speaker, let's check them out. First there's the power button, followed by the Bluetooth, then play, pause, decrease and increase the volume. You can also use these buttons for changing the songs. It also comes with a button which is the X bass button. It comes with a Type-C charging port and an aux port. There are two tweeters and two bass radiators in the speaker. One bass radiator is in the front and another bass radiator is in the back. So as you can see, the X bass mode is turned on. Let's check out the sound test. Before that, I would like to tell that the speaker comes with a 24-watt output and I will be playing two non-copyright songs in this video. I'll give the link to that in the description. Now let's start with the sound test.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Superhero.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. Wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Yeah, let's go.
Hope you like the sound test. You guys might be having few doubts regarding the speaker, which I had before I bought it. First, is the sound loud? Yes, the sound is very loud. It is very loud that you can use it as a mini party speaker. Next, how is the bass? The bass feels very premium, but I will not say that it's completely designed for bass, but I can guarantee you that it sounds very premium. and I would recommend you to turn on the X bass mode to feel the premium bass. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Please do like the video and subscribe to this channel.